Ladies and gentlemen, she's back, and she's badder than ever.
Shawty gon' get that paper. Shawty tongue rip like razor. Shawty got wit, got flavor. Part of my tits and makeup. Pay her.
What up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Khalid the Black Velvet, reporting back with another video. I know I look crazy. I was watching this other tutorial, and I ended up looking this crazy. So don't be fooled by those tutorials. Why am I looking like this when I'm looking like this? But anyways, the whole point of this video is for you to see this hair, this beautiful hair. This is a temporary dye that I used to make this hair look like this. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And what else do I want to say? What else? Oh my god. And yeah, just watch the whole video and see the whole installation process and see what is the end result of this whole look. Okay, so this is how the hair came out, guys. The hair that I showed you in the previous video. This dye is not permanent, by the way, it's temporary dye. So I'm gonna wash it off and see if it's gonna wash off completely. But now let's install the hair first. By the way, it's very hot. It's very hot. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try and straighten the hair. Was he telling and could we tell him? So let's go. Let's go.
Superhero lawa ke afika nje aphila khona 85 kodwa umuntu nyanyewo you 85 lawa ngibhukhe ezikhulu
Oh. One side done. Now it's time for this side. So I'm gonna do this side with camera. Okay. So at this point I am dripping hot because it's very hot. It's very hot, guys. But due to you, due to content, due to you Barbies, I have to show you how the hair looks. Check my hands. This is how my hands look like right now, but not the best installation, but it's something. Now I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and then I'll come back and then you can judge if you like it. I think I like the hair. I think I like it like this, but I'm not gonna change the fact that the hair is very messy. The hair is very, very messy. Check, even my straightener is red like this, so that's one thing I don't like about the temporary dye. But for fast what can I say? A fast fix, this is for you. A fast fix, yeah. So thank you so much for watching the video up until the end. So basically this is the end look. This is like the end look of everything. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what do you think. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm gonna put them down in the description box. Thank you. Bye.